Omertà.
Yeah, I think that's it.
Oh,
Dude.
bruh.
Whoever appeals to the law against his fellow man is either a fool or a coward. Whoever cannot take care of himself without that law is both. For a wounded man shall say to his assailant, if I live, I will kill you. If I die, you are forgiven. Such is the rule of honor.
Money moving like a cash app. I'ma lose, baby, that's cap. When I push forward, better back. I'm full tank and I'm fully loaded. Hammer back and
How you doing?
How you doing?
Flyzone here with Quad Mafia, and today we're finally unveiling something that the team and I have been grinding on for months. This right here is the Omertà T7 Edition, our 5-inch freestyle and bando basher frame. We built this for pilots who send it into sketchy gaps, concrete, steel, trees, and still pick it back up and fly another pack. Now let me show you why this thing is on a whole different level. We're gonna start out with a design breakdown. First off, the carbon, we're running T7 carbon fiber, and if you've flown cheaper frames, you'll feel the difference instantly. It's stiffer, stronger, and the finish is clean enough to make every build look premium. The layout is a Squished X, giving you that tight and locked in feel and smooth authority in the turns. We threw in 6mm arms, thick enough to take abuse, but still surprisingly lightweight. You've got a 2mm top plate, 3mm bottom plate, and a 3mm mid brace, tying everything together for serious durability. We have also added an XT60 top plate cutout along with toilet tanking option, so you can run your battery exactly the way you prefer. Clean, balanced, and functional. The one thing we wanted in this Omertà with the T7 was full flexibility for every video system. So we designed all new 3D prints specifically for DJI O4 Pro, DJI O3, Walksnail, and Analog. No more forcing parts to fit. No more weird zip tie hacks. Everything locks in exactly where it should. Center, protected, and clean. And when you actually put this bad boy in the air, that's when the Omertà shows what it's made of. It's a basher, yes, but it flies like a precision machine. The T7 feels planted, balanced, predictable. It locks into lines and doesn't wash out even on heavy throttle punches. Hard dives, tight gaps, sketchy abandoned buildings. This thing right here eats it all up. If you crash, and I mean really crash, the T7 takes a hit and keeps that same solid flight feel. That's what we wanted. That's exactly what we wanted in this frame. And this is exactly what we wanted you to experience. Something that you don't have to always baby. This frame isn't just a copy and paste frame. This frame was built by Team Quad Mafia pilots, the guys who break stuff on purpose just to see what survives. Every revision came from real crashes, real feedback, and real testing. We didn't release it until the whole team agreed. And yes, this one right here is ready. So why the Omertà? Because it's a frame for pilots who fly harder and don't make excuses. The ones who hear the beeper echoing throughout the empty warehouse or the abandoned building and smile because that's part of the game. It's not just a frame. It's a statement. You fly fearless. The Omertà T7 keeps up. The Omertà 5-inch basher T7 Edition is officially available now at quadmafia.com. If you want a frame tough and balanced and built by pilots who actually fly and send it the way you do, then this is the frame for you. Send it harder, crash louder, fly the Omertà T7 Edition. Hey, built by pilots, and it's proven by impact. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the air.
sniper the blicky. Gang, gang, gang. Why would I speak on what happened? Just know he was lacking, so we whacked him. Brand new blicky, this shit came with hella attachments. On a ratchet, give him a figgy. He gon' be next in the split if we catch him in traffic. Shit'll get sticky, aim for his head with the blicky, put holes in his fashion. Spinning. First nigga I see in design, I'm killing. Drill him. He with a tree shot with a Brazilian. Wiggle, brush him, up it, spin, dump it. Hop out a black van, got that boy down if he lacking. Pluck him, jump in the beamer. I'm with your Trisha, she tryna eat up. Bands just freed up. You the type to see option and freeze up.
I think that it's time that we tee up. Still scoring, tell these haters D up. Twirling early morning, don't they wouldn't form as we the ones performing, that's why they need us. Why would I tell you the murders I did when I really be clapping? And no, I'm not doing the feature with nobody less for backings. Yes, I be taxing, don't care what you jacking. I'm the teacher that's subtracting the fractions. Took that boy gun off his waist, he was lacking. Stole on the run from the jakes, I ain't chatting. I didn't think that you wouldn't imagine. Talk tough, walk up and just whack him. I am a killer, I kill with a passion. When would y'all see that it's deeper than rapping? Mission complete, I am not with the acting. Heart cold like it's February. My gun game is hereditary. I got perfect aim, so I never worry. I'm a driller if it's necessary. I will not speak on what happened. Attention seeking, get you put in the casket. Jails in the streets know I'm active. No, I'm cut from a different fabric. I don't bluff, ever set us up unless you got luck. It's bound to get tragic. Make you disappear, I know magic.
Why would I speak on what happened? Just know he was lacking, so we whacked him. Brand new blicky, this shit came with hella attachments. On a ratchet, give him a figgy. He gon' be next in the split if we catch him in traffic. Shit'll get sticky, aim for his head with the blicky, put holes in his fashion. Spinning.
Everybody look under your chairs.
Look, you get it, Omertà. You get it, Omertà.